Shabab, Pablo's here, and I'm here with.
What's up, guys? It's Matt from Detail Effect, and today we're gonna be seeing if Pablo's got what it takes to be our next detailer. Let's get it. Right now, Pablo's is gonna do our pre-wash, which is gonna knock out 99% of the dirt. Let's go. All right, guys, Pablo's got the paint looking brand new and the wheels absolutely spectacular. But you guys let us know in the comments how Pablo's did and see if he's a good fit for us. Let's go.
Check them out, and the experience is a 10 out of 10. They do paint, film protector, ceramic coating, anything you guys need. Be sure to check them out and let them know what you guys need.
All
Thank
right,
you guys. Bye, Shabab.
Peace out, Shabab.
See you guys.